Alright, what's this one? Hiccups. Oh, I remember when I had the hiccups. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Don't! Oh yeah, that's what happens when you eat and drink too much. You get the hiccups. Ugh. Ugh. And I, for one, am not fond of the sound of that. The constant hit, 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 hit. Ugh. That's enough to drive anyone bananas. Ugh. Seriously? They had the hiccups all the way to morning? Oh boy. Poor angry birds. I don't blame them for getting mad at the blues here. Now, how are they gonna get rid of their hiccups? Boo? Ooh, we're gonna try to scare them. Ooh, a ninja? Whoa! Sorry, Chuck, but you look more awesome than scary. Wah, wah. Whoa! Bush monster again? What? Chuck, you bona fide idiot. Wah, wah. Oh yeah, that'll work. Bomb exploding will get them to get the hiccups to stop, hopefully. Not near the eggs, though. Oh! Kaboom! Ho! Ugh, mud! Did it work? No. Ah. Huh? Da dum da! A bath! Every child's worst fear. Really, Blizzard? What? I just thought that was pretty cool to do. Hey! Getting scared of a brush and soap got their hiccups to go away. How do you like that? What the? Wait, that didn't come from them that time. Then where did... What? The eggs? Eggs can hiccup? Well, apparently they can. Well, who would have thunk it? Oh no!